One common problem with having a black hardtop on your Jeep JL or JK Wrangler is the fact that it's going to get scratched up when you're out on the trail. Now fortunately in our case, our JL already got a couple nicks on the freedom panels in the front. There's the white part underneath that's exposed. These are fiberglass hardtops, so you're going to get that. Now I've got the solution here. It's a Mopar hardtop touch-up pen. This makes it super simple to touch up small areas of your hardtop that got nicked or scratched up. Now it shows a white from underneath and it looks pretty bad. This is only going to work with the black hardtops, so if you got a painted one, this is not going to be for you. You'll have to get a regular paint match touch-up pen. Now for this one, it comes with actually two features. There are a bunch of features of this pen that make it extremely useful for touching up the hardtop. On the front, you're going to have this section which is going to scratch up and scuff up that section to make sure that the paint properly adheses. If you pull that off, there's a small pen underneath here which you push on and it'll dab out a little bit and you can rub it into the right location. Put that cap back on, and if you twist off this section, there's actually a larger section in here with some more paint and a larger brush. The clear coat section is contained back here. It's also got the same style brush. That's where after you get the first stage of black on, you can go back and clear coat that after it's dry. Now we're going to get to the Jeep and show you how this front section works, get it coated in some black, and then we'll come back and clear it later on. Right here on the corner of our freedom top panel is where the blemish is. Now this could have happened from when we're pulling these off and setting them in places to store them. This is a pretty common thing, and as you can see underneath it is white. So now these are just a thin coating on the outside of these hard tops, and underneath it exposes that fiberglass construction that it is. I'm going to use this front end, the tip here, to clean out each of these little sections. Here it's scratching just a little bit. Try and stay in those sections. I've got the cap off and I'm going to use this pen tip. In order to get the lacquer paint out, you have to push on it a little bit. See that? A little bit came out, and then you take that little bit that came out and you spread it around. You don't need to go crazy on this. Just give it a nice even coat, and we'll let that dry. Now that we've let this dry for a couple minutes, we can apply the clear coat on. Try and make sure to get all the spots where you put the touch-up paint on. And after that's complete, this install is done, and now your hardtop's looking good as new. The hardtop touch-up paint for us worked really well on our brand new JL. The black matches perfectly. And this is also going to work for an 07 to 18 JK as well as the brand new JL Wrangler, so long as it is a black hardtop. This won't work with color matched hardtops as it's not going to be the right color. And you can find this touch-up pen as well as many other parts for your JK or JL Wrangler right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.